guys, Chris here with JordansWayCharities.com. I'm here with Enzo, who is just making himself at home out here. Really sweet black-mouthed cur. He's a year and a half old, a lot of energy, very playful. Hey! Go get it, go get it, go get it, go get it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Go get it! Oh my God. It's like a puppy. Enzo, are you a puppy? Are you a puppy? Can you bring it back? Can I get it back? Here. Enzo. Come here. Come here. Okay, here. Hey, come here. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Wow. Lots of energy. How's he with commands?
He's learning.
Yeah.
He's
Oh my God. You need a nice fenced-in yard.
He still needs some leash manners, but we're working on that. It would help for him to have a backyard that he can do some
absolutely.
energy.
I was just thinking that he needs a fenced-in yard for sure.
Yes, he does. He's not going to be an apartment dog.
Guys, Enzo is a black-mouthed cur. He's a year and a half old at the Hernando County Animal Services.
He's good with other dogs, and he has been cat tested, and he was good with cats here.
Wow, that's a big thing. Good with other dogs and with other cats, guys. That is really a positive thing. Have they seen how he is with kids?
They've been fun with
Yeah. Good with kids too, guys. What are you doing? You go potty? Come here. Come here. Come here. Ready? Go, 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 go. Guys, again, this is Enzo at the Hernando County Animal Services, a 1.5-year-old black mouth cur. He's been here since, I think he's been here for, how long? We're getting all our papers out, guys. There's so many dogs here. They're overpopulated. We need to get them out of here.
December, before Christmas.
He's been here since before Christmas, so we spent Christmas, New Year's, Valentine's Day here. Let's not let him spend another holiday here. 4th of July is coming up, Memorial Day weekend's coming, Easter's coming. Do not let this dog spend another holiday here, guys. Please share Enzo to all the black-mouthed cur groups you know, or any other groups you know on Facebook, your friends' pages, any page that will help him get adopted. Guys, I'm Chris at the Hernando County Animal Services, and I am with JordansWayCharities.com. This is Enzo. Get him out!